I'm Ronnie Sik, Technical Manager at TePe in Malmö, Sweden. TePe makes and sells high-quality dental products. Here in Malmö, TePe produces all the products that TePe sells throughout the world. So we're selling to 65 countries and producing everything here in Malmö, Sweden. Toothbrushes, dental sticks, all you need for a healthy smile. As we want to keep all production here in Sweden, automation is really important. Here in TePe we have a lot of mobile robots now, which is to increase the safety. And our goal is to remove all the manual forklifts in the future. Next year, when we build a new factory, it will only be mobile robots, as it increased safety and flexibility. And so far, the 2.1 is working quite well. We see very good progress. OMRON has a complete automation solution that will help us in the future in the development of our factory. I think that OMRON as a leading partner in automation and TePe as a leading company in oral health can work together to spread healthy smiles around the world in the future.